That's fine.
You missed a bit.
I know, I'm gonna go back. I'm just trying to keep up a continuous stream for now. See when I get it going right. There. The flow rate seems to be increasing. I can't do anything about it.
How odd.
Ah! It's like a mad game. Ooh. Shit, I lost it.
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah, you are. Nah, I'm dealing with it. Yeah.
It's a very slow motion action shot.
Oh, it's satisfying, man.
Right. It's like a good weld when you go.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, yeah.
So get on.
Aye.
I think you should gasket that bit as well.
Conrod.
Mm.
Aye, go on then. Last time we did that, it was sweet, wasn't it?
Right. Lasted for ages, didn't it?
Aye.
The YouTube playlist's gone a bit rad.
I was just thinking, I don't think too much of this soundtrack. Fuck it.
There's more important things at the moment. Yeah. Hopefully. There appears to be some sort of fluff there. See if we can get that.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Ooh! There's a bit of paper or cardboard or something.
Piece of your brain.
Ooh. Look how shiny the engine casing is there.
Right. Yeah.
Look at it.
Look at all that oil you're dripping all over the place.
Am I? Better not be. So what you do is you take the right hand crankcase cover and you offer it to the left hand crankcase cover, offer it, and then should it choose to accept, which it's currently not. Why is it not accepting? Why are you not accepting my gift? Oh.
Whoops.
That bearing too fucking...
Well, you know what to do.
Something non-mathematical is occurring.
Hit it with a hammer.
This is the right bearing, like. Sure it is. Or isn't it?
Have you got any other bearings?
Try There we go. Proper bearing installation.
Excuse me, excuse.
Really, I should degrease everything again to make sure that
You didn't dribble on it.
yeah, but fuck that. I was trying to get that bearing to go in here, which it might not. It's fucking not gonna like, is it? Well, maybe it will. Yeah!
The
I think I might have just knocked a bit of the gasket off.
Oh no.
Fuck. Better hope that's yeah.
Just see if there's any gaps anywhere. Brushed aluminium in there. Don't forget to always bash your crankcase with a hammer.
This side always takes a little bit to go down. The same on yours. Not gonna say a thing. Stop it! Maybe I'll just smack it, it'll go on.
My one, the woodruff key moved about a little bit, so it just kind of aligned it so when I pushed the flywheel on. Whack! I don't think it can go on any further, can it?
How does this work again?
I don't think it does work. Not in its current state.
It will when I'm finished. How does this work again?
I think it's upside down.
Oh yeah. Well spotted, mate. I'm guessing that goes in there. Where is this? Oh yeah. That goes in there like that. This needs to come all the way around. How did we do this last time?
I just grabbed it with some pliers and rove it in. Yeah.
Quite easy actually.
Yeah, man.
I think it'd be tougher than that. Right, kickstart mechanism. Fucking what?
Kickstart is go!
I'm gonna fucking batter you, mate.
Oh, look at that. I poured it all in the hole.
Oh, I bet it tastes just like syrup.
Try it. Such as tea.
Yeah.
Or treacle.
Bergen. And all that. So it's like a weird washery type thing.
Plus, I don't think it's in art, I think it's very much
yeah, it's very much art.
Very art indeed.
Quality.
To burn us to the ground and build a brand new home. Not lined up to carry me to hell just like before. Winter seems so far away, like tragedy and war.
Our homemade flywheel / clutch holding tool.
It's universal, and it does both.
Needs adjusted slightly.
That's odd, considering the last thing we did with it was this exact engine.
No, we did the clutch last.
Oh, did we?
Yeah. I did try and design it so that when it was set for one, it would be set for the other for this engine, but see, to be fair, you don't even need to tighten that when you're doing this.
No.
So what was it? 43 foot pounds?
Yeah. 60 Newton meters, because that's a round number in it. There. Done.
The engine is nearly complete.
Soon our plans will reach fruition.
Mmm, shiny new sprocket. Oh. Oh.
Shiny new sprocket.
Oh, go on then,
Rubbly old
babe.
sprocket holder.
Mmm.
Device thing, washer.
That looks so good.
These sprockets are always fun. It's almost as nice as a brand new pair of socks.
Justice waits for nothing, man. Your eyes have turned to stone. I waited as long as I can and then set out alone. And all those boys from Holland came and they don't mess around. The whistle woke me up at dawn, such an awful sound. I can't stand to read the news of Jericho and swine, touring bands and roofing crews. This is where we spend our time. Lions die, poor men grow, so tired of left and right. Careful not to say too much or look straight at the line.
Cheers, Mo. Critical.
Call it bits.